What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best DSLR cameras in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. In 5th place, we have the Nikon D3500. This is our pick for the best budget DSLR camera. It is available at around $400. At the opposite end of the spectrum to some of the full-frame DSLRs, the Nikon D3500 is super affordable, compact, has one of the sharpest APS-C sensors out there, and a neat retracting kit lens. It's also widely recognized as one of the most beginner-friendly DSLR cameras around. It's one of the best Nikon cameras right now, as well as one of the best cameras for beginners, so you can be confident that you're not just getting a good starting camera, but a good camera all in all. DSLRs are complicated to use, especially for beginners, but this camera has a brilliant guide shooting mode that acts as a fully interactive tutorial on photography, delivered via the rear LCD screen. The rear screen is fixed and you're limited to full HD video rather than 4K, but the 24 megapixel sensor delivers super sharp images. The retracting 18-55mm kit lens is great, and it has a decent 5 frames per second max continuous shooting speed. It also has guides to explain its more advanced features, but it will shoot great photos in almost any situation. The controls are designed to be simple for novices, and in the right hands, it's a match for cameras costing far more. This is a good entry-level camera that will give you a bit of room to grow, and it's worth a look if you're on a tight budget. Some of the pros for this product include cheap price, solid performance, good handling, and interactive guide shooting. A con for this product is basic external controls, so it isn't ideal for professionals. However, if you're looking to get more creative with your photography and looking for your first DSLR, this is hard to beat. The Nikon D3500 has all the basic needs of a DSLR camera at a low price, perfect for beginners on a budget. In 4th place, we have the Nikon D7500. This is our pick for the best value DSLR camera. It is priced at around $800. If you find yourself wanting the Nikon D500 but don't quite have the funds available, then you should be looking at the Nikon D7500. It offers excellent value for your money by sharing many of the same specs, including the same sensor and processor combination, but with a few compromises to help keep the price lower. By combining the internals of its pro-grade D500 with the more compact body from its mid-range DX level cameras, Nikon's new D7500 is an enthusiast's ideal DSLR. It's packed with the same 20.9 MP sensor and matches it in offering 4K video recording up to 30 frames per second. Nikon has also furnished it with the same 180K pixel RGB metering sensor, and the tilting LCD screen on the back is just as large at 3.2 inches in size, and it's all wrapped up inside a weather-sealed body. A chunky and nicely textured body makes it a nice camera to hold and use, with some modern touches like a fully articulating touchscreen to satisfy those used to smartphones and the like. As well as, in addition to the X-Speed 5 image processor, it sports a max continuous shooting speed of up to 8 frames per second and a proven 51-point autofocus system. And like all of Nikon's recent cameras, it has the company's snapbridge technology, so you can use Bluetooth, NFC, and built-in Wi-Fi for super simple photo sharing. Some of the pros for this product include excellent sensor, powerful autofocus system, tilting touchscreen, and snapbridge technology. A con for this product is it only has one SD card slot. However, that is a small sacrifice to make for a product of such great value. The Nikon D7500 is a brilliant all-rounder DSLR camera for enthusiast photographers who want a bang for their buck. In 3rd place, we have the Canon EOS 90D. This is our pick for the best mid-range DSLR camera. It is available at around $1,100. This is the best Canon camera for enthusiasts, and it comes with groundbreaking specs that no other camera in this category can match and could leave a few professional photographers and videographers taking a look too. The Canon EOS 90D is quite a step forward for the EOS DSLR line. It packs in an amazing 32.5 megapixel sensor, the highest yet for an APS-C camera. It also has 10 frames per second continuous shooting capability and uncropped 4K video capture at a max of 30 frames per second. It's a consumer-level Canon that doesn't reduce the angle of view for 4K video. It even features a fresh processing engine and faster burst shooting. The 1300 shot battery provides far more juice than what you can get from the average mirrorless camera, while also having protection against dust and water. As well as, it comes with improved autofocus both in the viewfinder and live view, and some slight ergonomic improvements. This is an attractive camera for customers happy with the features and feel of the 80D and earlier models. When shooting video, the dual-pixel sensors lock focus on the subject, keeping it sharp regardless of where it moves. Plus, 45 autofocus points ensure that it can accurately track subjects moving in front of the lens. A flip-out, tilting 3-inch touchscreen lets you compose stills and videos at a variety of odd angles, and a headphone and a mic jack will ensure you get the best audio. Some of the pros for this product include amazing pixel count, uncropped 4K video, fantastic battery life, and good workhorse camera. A con for this product is no sensor-based stabilization. However, it still has many capabilities, so the flaws are forgiven. The Canon EOS 90D is a strong and versatile camera for enthusiasts and maybe even professionals who prefer the DSLR shooting experience. In second place, we have the Canon EOS 5D Mark IV. This is our pick for the best high-end DSLR camera. It is priced at around $2,500. Canon's EOS 5D series of cameras has a rich heritage. The original brought full-frame photography to the masses. The Mark II unleashed full HD video capture for the first time on a DSLR, and the Mark III became a firm favorite amongst photographers for doing everything it did so well. The latest iteration of the successful model brings with it all the respected features of its predecessors, but builds on it to the result in one seriously impressive model. The EOS 5D Mark IV is Canon's all-time best DSLR camera if you want a reasonably high megapixel count without sacrificing too much in the way of continuous drive speed and clean, noise-free image quality at very high ISO settings. It comes with a newer 30.4 MP sensor and advanced 61-point autofocus system along with 4K video recording, which has been regarded as one of the best for filmmaking. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF gives a perky autofocus performance in live view and video modes too, ideal for weddings, portraits, and commercial photography. It's proved itself versatile, robust, and reliable, all major plus points for pro photographers. Some of the pros for this product include stunning performance, advanced autofocus, full-frame sensor, and 4K video. A con for this product is it's not ideal for action and high-speed photography. However, other than that, it is still one of the best professional cameras to own. The Canon EOS 5D Mark IV is a complete all-rounder DSLR camera for professionals who want a superior photography device. And coming in first place, we have the Nikon D850. This is our pick for the best overall DSLR camera. It is available at around $2,800. This Nikon is one of the best cameras in the world right now. It's hard to think of another DSLR that wows like the Nikon D850 does. APS-C format DSLRs offer the best compromise between features, quality, and price, but professionals will demand a step up in image quality, and that means a full-frame DSLR. This full-frame camera, which is doing more for DSLR sales than probably any other model at the moment, is a superb all-rounder for the professional who shoots a little bit of everything. Advanced enthusiasts will also get a kick out of how well it handles a variety of different subjects. It offers excellent image quality, bags of features, and a rugged, weather-resistant magnesium alloy body. The 45 megapixel sensor is one of the highest in terms of resolution in any DSLR, while the 7 frames per second burst mode is unusually high for a camera with such a sensor. It has a cracking 153.99 cross-type autofocus system that pretty much nails it every time, and great 4K video with amazing features, as well as wonderful handling with its sturdy body and 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen. Plus, it has some other great features such as snapbridge Bluetooth connectivity with Wi-Fi, advanced time-lapse, and 1,840 shots of battery life. Its versatility should be easy to appreciate. Some of the pros for this product include stunning image quality, excellent performance, amazing autofocus, and great handling. A con for this product is the expensive price. However, this is one of the best cameras in the world right now, so it only makes sense. The Nikon D850 is the best DSLR camera for professional or advanced enthusiast photographers who want nothing but the absolute best when it comes to their work. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.